In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Pipedrive Calendar with Google Calendar. By the end, your meetings and tasks will flow seamlessly between both tools, so you can plan your day without switching tabs or worrying about double booking. Start by logging into your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture. From the menu that appears, open Personal Preferences. This is where you control account-level settings, including how your calendar behaves. Inside Personal Preferences, find and select Calendar Sync. This section is dedicated to connecting your Pipedrive activities with your external calendar. You'll see options to add new connections or manage existing ones. Click Add Account or Connect, and choose Google or Google Calendar. This tells Pipedrive that you want to link to your Google ecosystem. A new window will prompt you to sign into your Google account. Make sure you pick the account that actually holds the calendar you want to sync. If you use multiple Google accounts, double-check you're choosing the right one before continuing. After signing in, Google will display a permissions screen. Approve the permissions Pipedrive requests so it can read existing events and create or update them on your behalf. This is essential for accurate syncing. Without these permissions, Pipedrive can't keep your calendars aligned. Next, choose your sync type. Two-way sync means that when you create or update an event in Pipedrive, it appears in Google Calendar, and when you make changes in Google Calendar, they come back into Pipedrive. This is ideal if you live in both tools and want everything mirrored. If you prefer a lighter touch, pick one-way sync from Pipedrive to Google. With this option, your Pipedrive activities will show up in Google Calendar, but changes you make in Google won't flow back to Pipedrive. This can be helpful if you want Google Calendar to be a read-only view of your sales activities. Once you've chosen the sync type that fits your workflow, save the settings. Give it a moment for the initial sync to complete. You should then see your Pipedrive activities reflected in Google Calendar, according to the option you selected. If you notice any timing differences, remember that syncs can take a short while to propagate, especially right after you connect. That's it. You've connected Pipedrive with Google Calendar, selected the sync behavior you prefer, and saved everything so it runs automatically in the background. Enjoy smoother scheduling and fewer conflicts as you work.